In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your account balance in MetaTrader 5. Whether you're on a desktop or using the mobile app, you will know exactly where to look to check your balance, equity, and margin, and how to review your trading history so you can stay on top of your account at a glance. Let's start on the desktop app. First, make sure the Toolbox panel is visible. At the top of the platform, open the View menu and choose Toolbox, or simply press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. The toolbox appears along the bottom of the screen and is your hub for live account and trade information. In that panel, click the Trade tab. Here you'll see your current balance, which is your settled funds after closed trades, your equity, which reflects your balance plus or minus the floating profit or loss of any open positions, and your margin details, showing how much collateral is currently being used. This view updates in real time, so it's the quickest snapshot of your account's health while you are trading. When you want to look back at what has already happened, switch to the History tab in the same toolbox. The History tab lists your past trades and closed transactions, making it easy to review results, reconcile activity, and understand how closed profits, losses, and fees have flowed into your balance over time. Use this view to confirm that closed outcomes match what you expect and to get context for any changes you notice in the Trade tab. Now, let's look at the mobile app. Launch the app and log in to your trading account on the bottom navigation bar. Tap Trade. This screen shows your balance and equity at a glance along with free margin, which is the amount of available funds you can use to open new positions. As your open positions move, equity and free margin adjust automatically, helping you gauge whether you have room to place additional trades or whether you are approaching margin limits. If a panel ever goes missing on desktop, simply bring back the toolbox with View, then Toolbox, or the Ctrl+T shortcut. On mobile, if figures don't look right, confirm you are logged into the intended account for that broker server. With these quick checks on both desktop and mobile, you will always know where your account stands and how recent activity has shaped your balance. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.